All right, so I just got my remote start in from 12 Volt Solutions, and apparently it's pretty easy, plug and play. I was gonna make a video on how to get it installed, but I mean it's apparently it's real easy, and there's already a couple videos out there, so I figured I'll just do my experience on it. So theoretically I'm supposed to do lock, unlock, lock, and the truck will fire up. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so here it is. We're gonna do a quick little unboxing on it, see what's all in here. Oh, looks like JB's getting all the tools ready. What you got there?
Interior tools.
And they're at. So it's a couple of instructions here, a little manual here, a module here, a little harness here, and looks like a couple of zip ties. So we'll see if it's really that easy. Okay. Old JB's still busy over there. All right. So it pretty much was kind of easy. Just as they said on the instructions, you plug that little guy up. You get it plugged in back here. I think it took me probably 10 minutes because I was referring to the video. If I wasn't, it probably would have, you know, took me 2 or 3 minutes. So, but let's see if it works. All right, so let's see here. Lock, unlock, lock. Yeah, fired it right up. Pretty instantaneous. And I think it'll, if I do the same thing again, I think it'll shut it off. So, lock, unlock, lock. Yep, there it goes. And there it is.